Hello everyone, I am Arvind Kute, Assistant Professor of English. Welcome back once again on my YouTube channel. As per SPPU Pune's examination schedule, the examination of second year arts 2019 pattern is going to start soon. I have just made this video on compulsory English course. I am going to provide you 100 multiple choice questions which will be helpful for your preparation. To download the document, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin the discussion.
Unit 1 Prose A Simple Philosophy by Chief Seattle. Who wrote The Simple Philosophy? Seattle, Robert Lynn, G.B. Shaw, William Slim. Correct answer is Seattle. Seattle was the chief of the Native Americans Red Indian tribe named as Redmish, Suquamish, Northrambish, Goromish. Correct answer is Suquamish. Chief Seattle has addressed the letter to the President of America, his tribesmen, Native Americans, and environmentalists. Correct answer is the President of America. The essay A Simple Philosophy has dash form: A. Epistolary, descriptive, didactic, narrative. Correct answer is epistolary. When did Red Indian Chief of Seattle send a letter to the President of America? 1852, 1853, 1854, 1855. Correct answer is 1855. Who was President of America when Chief Seattle sent a letter? Franklin Pierce, Millard Fillmore, Abraham Lincoln, James Buchanan. Correct answer is Franklin Pierce. Seattle calls the Red Indian people of his tribe many times in the essay to state that they don't understand the ways of white man. Beast, savage, brother, civilized. Correct answer is savage. Who said, "My words are like the stars, they do not set"? Chief Seattle, Millard Fillmore, Abraham Lincoln, James Buchanan. Correct answer is Chief Seattle. Who said he kidnaps the earth from his children? He does not care. Chief Seattle, Millard Fillmore, Abraham Lincoln, James Buchanan. Correct answer is Chief Seattle. One thing we know which the white man may discover one day: our God is the same God. Our God may not be same. Our God is kind to all. Our God is refuge. Correct answer is our God is the same God. Choose the correct sentence from the following. The white man's dream are hidden from us. Care for it as we have not cared for it. Our warrior have not felt shame. Our children have not seen their father humbled in defeat. Correct answer is the white man's dream are hidden from us. Who said this? I am a savage and do not understand any other way. Red Indian, white man, Seattle, president. Correct answer is Seattle. The impact of befall the earth will be: befall the sons of the earth, befall the earth of the people, befalls the people. Red man did not understand. Correct answer is befalls the son of the earth. The result of to harm the earth is to abuse the creator, to heap contempt of its creator, to crush the earth, to neglect the creator. Correct answer is to heap contempt of its creator. What, according to Seattle, will be the result of contaminate your bed? You will one night suffocate in your own waste. You will be no more in the bed. You will be not happy anymore. You will change your bed. Correct answer is you will one night suffocate in your own waste. Where is the white man dream? It was vanished, hidden from us. They never have dream of great land. Correct answer is hidden from us. What is the wish of the chief Seattle to the white man for caring the land? Care it the land, care it nicely, care for it as we have cared for it. The land is precious for us. Correct answer is care for it as we have cared for it. Simple philosophy talks about a value of nature, philosophy of universe, animal, global village. Correct answer is value of nature. Unit 2 The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the author of the story The Homecoming? R.K. Narayan, Rabindranath Tagore, Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. The Homecoming is story of Fatik's life. Pathetic, tragic, heart-touching, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Who was the ringleader among the boys? Fatik Chakrabarti, Makhan Chakrabarti, Bishambar, Rabindranath. Correct answer is Fatik Chakrabarti. What was Bishambar's reply when Fatik asked him about going back to his village? Fatik can't go back. Fatik can go in holidays. Fatik can go if his mother comes. Fatik can go after he passes. Fatik can go in holidays. Why did Fatik run away from his uncle's house? Because he didn't want to be a nuisance, because he was missing his mother, because he lost his lesson book, because he was scolded by his aunt. Correct answer is because he didn't want to be nuisance. Fatik's eye flushed with fear. Even when unconscious, he murmured, "Mother, take me back." 3 fathom, 4 fathom. Makhan, don't lie. Uncle, let me go. Correct answer is 3 fathom, 4 fathom. Which of the following is not a change that comes in Fatik's life? His voice is become hoarse. His face grows angular. He prepares his lesson. He misses his village. Correct answer is he prepares his lesson.